We're back together. Hey, we are still alive. So what have you done on the back here now? You've put the hub on, yeah? Got your new disc on.
Got to do the shoes, yeah.
Looks like fucking plastic disc.
Got to put new shoes on there.
Yep.
Got to put it on there because it's just fucking get out of the way. Obviously that grub shoe would be there.
And then he's also been out and bought some new wheels. They are a fucking lovely colour, aren't they? And what are they off?
Either Monday OSI or Escort GTI. 16 inch, not the 15s.
Yeah, yeah.
15s would be too small.
Yeah, yeah. Oh, they fucking look mint, mate. Have you got the centre caps for them?
Yeah.
You have?
Yeah.
Has it got Ford written on it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Get
Fucking insane.
well.
How much for these?
480, I think.
480, that's
Delivered
not
and
bad.
painted.
120, but without tyres.
Yeah, without tyres.
Yeah, yeah. And what fucking tyre have you stuck on there?
Got 4 Lancers.
What the hell are they? Get it fucking rolling.
Yeah.
Just looking nice and yeah. Dent man still hasn't been, no?
He said, yeah, I'll do it. He hasn't turned up. And I said, I rang him on Wednesday. Got the bottom arms again. I'm just going for a budget. For now.
Ball joints came with it, obviously, yeah?
Yeah.
Existing bolts back in.
Yeah.
So what have we got to do this end now then?
Hub.
Just the hub.
Hub and the brakes.
Hub
Shaft, obviously.
Hub bearings, have you done the bearings yet? No?
I put one in it, in this one.
Oh yeah.
What's wrong with it?
How much was the bearing?
Fuck, what do I think?
Peanuts like.
14 quid, 16 quid. Obviously the back one's already done.
Yep. So we're still waiting on the studs to be extracted from the head on here, aren't we, to do the exhaust manifold?
Yeah.
Before we can do the exhaust manifold, that means we can't do the exhaust. Paint the brake calipers.
Use your refresher on mine.
Use mine down there in the carry bag, they just come out the fridge. No, the one outside. So he's got me doing the fucking best job, sanding all this shit back with the wire fucking blast. Well, he giggles in the corner. What the fuck are you doing?
Playing the ring.
Right, playing with his ring. Oh, you're pressing your bearing there?
Well, there's already pressed it, but I pressed the flange.
Phalange. Oh, yeah, of course, yeah. It's way more exciting over here. It's like the triple whopper.
Can't ask for the extension, but.
So how far are you pressing that? Just all the way until she stops?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Take it up to it. Okay.
Oh yeah, you got a gauge on it, so yeah.
Won't go fucking horse mad with it. I don't need to.
So how many tons do you apply? That's 1 ton. 5 ton. That's some crazy pressure. 7.5 ton. It's fucking beast, mate. I'll go back to my job then. Hey, the recovery truck's back. Catch them sparks. She's used a nice thin cutting disc on there. And then just one sharp shank. Fucking hell, fair play, man. That was smooth as fuck. You give me one simple task. Look at it. It's ripped me fucking shoes. Look like I got clown shoes on. The fuck? You're gonna have to cut me free, lad. Oh, that's right, snapped it. God, he didn't rip me Sondicos. Finally built his trust up with the power tools. He was going to show me how to use a tyre machine today. That's gone out the fucking window, hasn't it? That's some scary shit, that, isn't it, with a brand new wheel? Oh, can I do the sticker? Oh, he ripped it. Fucking hell! Sort your shit out. Hey. So giving the hubs a quick etch primer, waiting for them to dry. Roll bars drying. 2 drive shafts are drying. We're not going to do the brakes today. We'll probably etch primer them. We won't get around to painting them because we haven't got the caliper paint, because obviously they need to have high temperature paint, not just your standard paint. So we're hoping to get the hubs and everything back on today. So we'll see how we get on. The wheel man there has almost done his fucking bit, so better catch up. Dropped his shaft ring, lad.
Can I have a hammer, please?
Hammer? Hammer time! What do you want, soft or hard? What about just splitting the back of that? Oh, you can't because of that?
Yeah.
Fuck's sake. That's my idea out the window then.
Hello. Did you find my nut? There it is.
Yeah. So it's a good job you're doing it, because I'd have put that in the other way. So what he's trying to do is basically get it in a position where we can drop it back on the deck and then move it across to the two-poster ramp. So then he can do a nut and bolt check on everything then that's been put back on. All underneath the car, all on the suspension, brakes, everything will be rechecked before it goes out on the road. Still got to do his brake lines, finish all them off as well, tidy them up. But until he had the hubs on with the calipers in place, obviously it's always better to do it when you know where they're actually going to finish. We did have a bit of fun putting the gear linkage on before, but we couldn't do that on camera because we both needed. So what do you think of the wheel choice then? Leave a comment whether you like, don't like. They're off the Escort GTI of the same era, aren't they? And also the Mondeo somewhere near as well, wasn't it? Yeah. It was the one that was bright yellow, wasn't it? Back in the day, people used to clear coat these with lacquer, didn't they? So they didn't rust. So you can see the time that Roger's put into painting everything up. It's like saved so much money in buying everything new, but it also obviously appears a lot better on the overall condition of the car. So anything like your rear axle, which you aren't going to be replacing, it's definitely worth taking the time to prep it and paint it properly, because you wouldn't really know unless you were properly looking at it. When this goes on the ramp, it'll look as good as gold. And obviously his new bushes as well that he's had to put in everywhere, new springs.
Well, you can't beat a new bush, that might sound wrong.
You can't beat a bush. So again, like in the arch lining on the rear here, doing that Postman box red, the colour was. And it's like I said to you, in the light here, the match is actually very good, considering all this is all faded and obviously needs buffing back so it's bright red. So yeah, he's done a tidy job, and it's not cost an awful lot of money to get it to where it is. It's more to do with the time. Obviously it helps with him having his own garage, because he's got all the equipment that he needs to do the jobs. But it's finding the time, isn't it, Rod? Yep. Time's the problem. Bit more turny. That's it.
Got it.
Yeah. I think we're somewhere near there, aren't we, boss?
Bit more. Oh, fuck, do that.
Oh, I was afraid you were going to say that.
Oh, now you're gone bollocks.
Fucking hell. It's the camera, mate. Somewhere near?
Tiniest bit more.
Ah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Do you want that on the metal or do you want it on the plastic?
I did the plastic, so after a few years it fucking wear through, wouldn't it? But it's just not. Then you know me, if you put everything on the two-poster.
These here, either side, I'd get them done up now. Because they're going to, these.
Oh, we're on to get on two-poster.
They're going to be taking a fucking lot of weight there, and there's like not even a thread through there.
Oh, fine.
It'll be fine. Next week on Crunchin Gearz. What colour do you think them wheels are? They're in the anthracite. Not far off, are they? Anthracite? Yeah.
Silver, a bit of sparkle in them.
Silver with a bit of glitter. Did your missus have a choice in that? They have literally. Now you said that, I can see the fucking glitter in them. Yeah. Are you dynamating this? Like, you've seen the cost of the RS, haven't you? 300 quid. But I've probably got way more than we need. I don't know.
But that, yeah.
Yeah. I don't think it's worth dynamating, is it? You got the sound deadening that came out of it?
You can buy it
in a roll.
I don't know if it's patches. It's still quite expensive. But I was just going to buy a rack of it.
Yeah.
Let's say we got no 80 quid's worth.
Yeah.
See how far you get.
And just use that. Yeah.
And use the rest of it, save
Yeah.
some fucking nice underlay or something.
Yeah.
Carpet.
How did your mate get on with the headlining? Because he's came and measured it all out. He hasn't got back to you, no.
Train?
Yeah, on the train this morning, yeah.
Fucking train.
No, I wasn't on the train. On the fucking. All right, let's start again. On the fucking news, yeah. On a train, yeah. All the train driver did was say, "Good morning, ladies and gentlemen," yeah.
You might need a torch for this bit. I can't see what we're doing.
If I zoom in, you can have a torch. There you go. Don't ask me why it won't do the fucking torch on wide lens.
There we go. Straight in. No lube needed.
Are you in there knuckle deep?
Yep. Oh, I'm just going to go tits like this is.
I like the confidence.
I'm going to try and do it this way instead.
We're zoomed right in on you.
Ain't going to fuck off. You missed a fucking paint run, didn't you?
Fuck off. Have I?
Fucking helmet. You bet you can see through the wheel.
You know? Yeah.
Grab a knocking stick.
The fuck's a knocking stick on its own? Oh no, I'm going to get the fucking paint you was moaning about. Sounds like a customer, that does. Oh? So I tell him, I'll do it for you. But I warn you, I've just done that to my shoe with a fucking wire brush. Doesn't look smart.
Loose to fuck. Look at it, doesn't look
Yeah, it doesn't, to be fair, no. I'm sure the super tracker will fucking disagree though. Out, you're still 8 from a mill out, fuck you. Should we photobomb his photos? Have you ever tried editing a video, Rog, for YouTube? No. takes fucking hours, mate, honestly. I don't know what the red spot means, but they're on there.
What?
Red spots on the tyres. Just quality control, was it the factory or something?
Ideally, so we level up the valve. Doesn't mean they can't boss, but...
Is that right? Why should that be where the valve is then? The fuck's that about? I think your fucking teacher was winding you up, mate. It's like fucking Roger's going to fit every tyre now, making sure that red spot's lined up with that valve. Yeah, well anyway, you can fuck off because Rog doesn't do it anyway, look. So this is what he's gone and bought as his daily driver. What's wrong with it, Rog? We think it's the crank bearings, do we? Possibly.
Gone, but
so we brought it back.
We
knew it had problems, obviously, when we went to look at it, but inside it is immaculate. I don't know if you can see that. And outside as well, it's in proper tidy nick. So obviously he's going to try and get hold of a new engine for it. It's a 118D M Sport. It is definitely worth putting the time into. Obviously you got it for a good price, didn't you?
Yeah.
So hopefully we might get some footage on that when the new engine turns up. But he's looking for a second-hand engine on it. So until that turns up, it's definitely locked, mate. Where is the fucking desk? You've only done it so you can have the TV back on, haven't you? So I have to sit you through now. It's been good to be back though, Rog, I must admit. It's been a fucking couple of weeks, hasn't it?
Yeah.
Both been really busy, like, which is always good. Nice to be busy at work in one way, innit?
Yeah.
But we are hoping to be back here in the morning, so hopefully we'll have another video for you straight after this one. I'll do my best to get this uploaded this weekend and then do tomorrow's during the week. So yeah, thanks for watching once again, and we'll catch you on the next video. Cheers.